Ever wondered why your business isn't running smoothly without you? Hi, I'm Ritesh Hegde, founder and CEO of Ritz7 Automations. Recently, we helped a photography company in Sweden. They were overwhelmed managing operations via Google Sheets. It was chaos. By customizing a solution for them, we transformed chaos into order, boosting efficiency by 33% and profits by 27%. Now, let's dive into why many business owners find themselves trapped in daily operations instead of enjoying the freedom they sought. The number one reason is because they fail to build systems and concentrate on tasks. Building systems is about creating a framework that allows your business to operate seamlessly whether you are there or not. It's a shift from being reactive to proactive, ensuring that every part of your business functions like a well-oiled machinery. This approach not only frees up your time but also empowers your team to make decisions and solve problems independently. In the case of the Swedish photography company, moving away from chaotic Google Sheets to a custom system transformed their daily operations. This system enabled specific access controls, streamlined communication, and automated routine tasks. The result? A significant boost in efficiency and profitability. Their story exemplifies how tailored systems can liberate a business from the quagmire of daily operations, setting the stage for sustained growth and financial freedom. Second reason is they fail to delegate. Delegation is the cornerstone of scalability. It's not merely about assigning tasks. It's about entrusting your team with responsibilities that align with their strengths and capabilities. Effective delegation fosters a culture of trust, boosts morale, and enhances productivity, allowing you as the business owner to focus on strategic growth. Through our intervention, the photography company's management was able to delegate operational tasks confidently, knowing the system had checks and balances in place. This shift not only improved operational efficiency but also allowed the management team to engage in higher level strategic planning, further contributing to the company's growth trajectory. The third reason is they fail to track and measure. You can't improve what you don't measure. Implementing a system that provides real-time data and analytics is crucial for making informed decisions. This visibility into your operations allows for a deeper understanding of your business's performance, identifying areas for improvement and opportunities for growth. For the photography company, our custom solution included a comprehensive dashboard offering insights into every aspect of their operation. This tool empowered them to make data-driven decisions, significantly impacting their efficiency and profitability by pinpointing exactly where improvements were needed. Fourth reason is they failed to cultivate a growth mindset. A growth mindset encourages continuous improvement and innovation. It involves seeing challenges as opportunities to grow rather than insurmountable obstacles. This mindset should be cultivated not only amongst the leadership but across the entire organization. Post-implementation, the photography company embraced a culture of experimentation and learning. This shift led to the discovery of new, more efficient ways to manage projects and client relations, further solidifying their market position and profitability. Fifth reason is they fail to embrace technological advancements. Technology is a key enabler for operational efficiency. Embracing the right technological tools can automate mundane tasks, streamline communications, and provide strategic insights. However, it's crucial to choose solutions that align with your specific business needs. Our custom solution for the photography company was not just about technology. It was about selecting and implementing tools that matched their unique operational needs. This strategic approach to technology adoption allowed them to leapfrog their competitors, showcasing how targeted technological investment can yield disproportionate returns. The sixth reason is failing to prioritize customer experience. In the process of streamlining operations, never lose sight of the customer experience. Systems should be designed not only for internal efficiency but also to enhance the service provided to your clients. A positive customer experience is a powerful differentiator in today's competitive market. Faster response times, more personalized services, and seamless project management led to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty, proving that operational efficiency and customer satisfaction go hand in hand. After exploring these 6 pivotal strategies, you might be thinking, I'm just starting out. Surely, I don't need complex systems yet. This is a common misconception. The reality is that the optimal time to build and integrate systems into your business is right from the start. Waiting until your business reaches a certain size or complexity can actually make the transition to a systematic way of working much more difficult. Employees get accustomed to an ad hoc, non-systematic approach, and changing habits later on can lead to resistance and chaos. By introducing systems early, when your team is smaller and your operations are simpler, you lay a solid foundation for scalable growth. Ideally, you should aim to establish these systems before your team grows beyond 10 employees. This proactive approach ensures that as your business expands, your operations can seamlessly scale up, maintaining efficiency and avoiding the pitfalls of unmanaged growth. As we have uncovered these foundational strategies for building a thriving, self-sustaining business, it becomes clear that the journey towards operational excellence begins with a single step: systemization. Whether you are a budding entrepreneur or steering a growing venture, the principles we have discussed are your roadmap to success. Now, if you have found value in these insights and recognize the transformative potential of systems in your business journey, there's a way to amplify this impact even further. If this message resonates with you, share it with a business owner who could benefit. Together, we can help more entrepreneurs navigate their path to success. Thank you for watching. Remember, the right time to systemize your business is now. Stay tuned for more practical insights. See you in my next video.